Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you would like to take advantage of easy exit height on your GMC Yukon, this is for the 2025 or 2026 models, I'm going to show you how to use that. What that's going to do is ultimately lower the height of the vehicle and make it easier for people to get in and out. To make changes to this particular feature, we go to Settings and Vehicle, and then you're going to need to find Comfort and Convenience. We're going to come right down here. There is Comfort and Convenience, and it's the very first option, and there's a couple of different ways you can do this with easy exit vehicle height. You can select right here on the screen, and you will have a check mark, that green check mark that shows up. That means that the feature is on, or you can just come right here to the screen itself, and you can turn that on or off. And that is how you manage easy exit vehicle height with the 2025 or 2026 GMC Yukon. Most of what you're looking for is going to be in the center screen, so just check that out. You'll find what you're looking for. But if you can't find it, or you're just curious about something, tell me down in the comment section and I'll make a tutorial, whether it's on the Yukon or anything else. Doesn't even have to be a GMC vehicle. Just tell me what you'd like to see. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.